This is Cableflor heating kit. It comprises of 3 elements: a heating cable, the Cableflor tiles, and a top layer. It's very easy to lay yourself, and there's no concrete screed required, which means you can lay an area like this, which is 18 square metres, in about 4 hours from start to finish. Because there's no screed involved, it does mean that you always have access to the cable, just in case there is a fault. But you can also take it with you when you leave. It's very easy to lift up and package away.